Yo YouTube, what's up? It's United Cypic Tax. I'm just gonna come back with little mystery packs. It'll only be 6 packs, $10 a pack. Just need some money, so it'd really help me out if you guys, got one. It'd mean a lot. I'll get them shipped out the same day. We can either do it on. It's only $10 a pack, so I'll just record them. I'll do the mystery pack number if there or mystery pack video if there's enough interest. But here we go. 6 packs, $10 a pack. Pack number 1, Sidney Rice jersey. Sharif Floyd jumbo jersey number 260, or jumbo patch actually, 3 color. I'm an idiot. Trinity Jonathan Stewart 1 color patch number 50. Clinton Portis 1 color jersey number 250. Dante Culpepper jersey. Larry Johnson jersey number 250, and a Colin Klein main hits Colin Klein rookie auto number 10. 2 of 10. Pack number 2 I'm gonna call it the preferred lot. John Jenkins preferred number 99. Roddy Stuckey number 49. Jared Cunningham 99. Darius Morris 99. Quincy Acey 99. And a Jose Calderon. Pretty good, sick auto number 50. Third pack, Jake Long number 1 draft picked auto rookie. Dwayne Bowe number 1 of 40. 15 of 40, my bad. Jorius Norwood jersey, and Emmanuel Sanders rookie auto, and Emmanuel Sanders rookie patch auto number 349, 2 colors. So that's pack number 3. Pack number 4, sick dual patch of Charlie Villanueva, Channing Frye, number 50. Sick, that card's a brick. Al Thornton rookie jersey number 50. Ray Allen sweet spot jersey, and probably the chaser pack probably. Gordon Hayward rookie auto, books 15-20. Not bad. Plus the dual patch can get you some nice money. It's just a sick card to have. Football pack right here. Robert Hausler auto, Marquise Wilson auto. This is a nice pack. Jordan Reed rookie auto, Kenny Vaccaro rookie auto, and a Robert Woods rookie auto number 250. And probably the main pack, Pete Rose Hall of Fame auto, sick, and a 1-of-1 printing plate of David Harris. So that's the packs, guys. It'd mean a lot. I can do 2 for 19 if you want. I'll throw in a bunch of extras if you guys want. I just need money, like I said. I just need some money, so appreciate it a lot. Peace.